All right, so problem number 100. They've given you a formula that tells you the prize money for the singles champions in thousands, where T represents years after 1980. So T equals 0 is 1980, and you're asked when the prize money is 500,000. Now, this is a nice problem because in some word problems you have to actually like come up with a formula and like solve the problem that way, like we did in 98 and 99. But in 100, they've given you this equation. And they tell you that P is the prize money in thousands and T is the years after 1980. So the problem's asking, when will the prize money be 500,000? So 500,000, since P is in thousands, means that P is 500. So what we're going to do is take that 500 and plug it into the formula that we were given. And we're going to solve for T. So we would do subtraction first. So 500 minus 35.8. And oops, made an arithmetic error. That's 464.2. And then we would divide both sides by 30.2. And I get 15.37 and change. Now, the problem was asking when will the prize money be that? Now, the time is 15.37 years, so I'd kind of like to know what year it happens in. And I would actually phrase the question a little differently. I would say, in what year does this occur? So we started in 1980. Sometime during that 15th year, when it hits like, so think about this. Time being 1 would be 1981. Time being 2 would be 1982. So we're going to take these 15 years, add it to 1980, and it's going to be sometime during that year. So sometime during the year 1995 is when it would occur. Now you could write 1995.37 but that is within the year 1995.